Today, ito yung niluto natin. Actually, ano yan, giniling ko na, na chicken. Tapos, lagay ko ng carrots, onions, garlic. Ito yung aking assistant.
Happy, happy. Ah! Shut again. Ah, baby. Baby, you and I catch me.
No, don't say that.
The word.
Hmm?
The word. Mango. Mango.
Excuse me.
Sad.
I'm going to get this.
Nice.
Excuse me po, it's hot.
Abashi. Yummy. Is there one? Ah, delicious. Delicious.
Tapos may kasama pala yung cheese. Nalagyan ko na rin ng cheese. May cheese na rin
Wow,
ito.
I like cheese.
For a cheesy.
Hurricane cheese.
Cheesy.
Mama, you say Korea, you say cheese Korea. Yeah, that?
Yeah.
You say Korea, you say Korea, can't you not Korea?
I'm going to cook egg after.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. I shut the door.
You shut the door.
Yeah, I jumped the jump too big. The air so big.
Hmm?
Ma, I want that this one eight. I want that eight. Wow, many bubbles. It's only
This one?
Oh yeah, I like that.
Oh, sorry.
There's any bubbles. With bubbles, it's with bubbles. Oh, it's bubbles. Bubbles. Oh, the bubbles is wet. Oh, it's so yummy.
So, fried egg.
Oh, yummy.
Dahil nagdalakad na yung aking baby, ang dami niya nang naaabot. Ayan, lalakad na siya. Finally. Kalain mo yun. 19 months. 19 months siya bago nakapaglakad ng ganyan. Milo! Alis dyan, Toy, alis. Ganyan siya. Sinusundan-sundan ko lang. Tingnan mo to, oh. Nahatakot din ako pag naglakad siya ng ganyan. So, pinalitan ko na yung tubig ni baby. Absolute na tayo. Kasi, nung pumunta ako ng Robinson, walang Wilkins. Absolute lang. Tsaka, magaling siya magpunit-punit ng papel. Actually, kinakabahan ako sa lakad niya na ganyan. Yung lakad na ganyan, kinakabahan ako. No. Dani, say hello. Say hello. Hello. Dania. Say hello. Hello, say hello. Hello.
Baby.
Bibi? Ayan. Let's go, babat. Kailangan na niyang magbabat. Ay, babat na, babat. Dana, what are you doing? Ay, pinagagawa ng isa kong anak. Yung namin, wall talaga namin, oh, grabe. Oh. Kami ng laundry, dirty clothes, laundry basket namin. Sa may gustong ganyan, ilagay ko yung link. Ganda, diba? Bumili ko niya kasi aesthetic, parang aesthetic ba siya? Maganda.